Learning the F major scale hands together can be a little tricky, but if you use finger groupings to help you, it can actually be quite simple. I'm going to show you all of that right now. I'll start with one octave. Now, as you work on this hands together, think about the places where both of your thumbs are going to line up on the same notes at the same time. In this case, both of your thumbs, finger one, are going to end up on C. And then in between the first note and the last note in that C landmark, you're either going to use this finger group, 2s, 3s, and 4s in both hands, or you're going to use this finger group, 2s and 3s. So I'm going to go through this slowly. So we'll start with 5 in the left hand, 1 in the right hand. Now I'm going to use this finger group, 2, 3, and 4, which is just going to the next finger in both hands. But just to talk about finger groups, it's 2, 3, and 4 in both hands to get us to that thumb landmark. And then 2s and 3s. So left hand 3 needs to cross over. And then just one more finger, and I'm at the end. Next, I'm going to follow that back, 2s and 3s, getting me to my thumb landmark. Right hand 4 has to cross over, so I'm back to 2s, 3s, and 4s again. And I'm back to where I started. I'll do that one more time. So my starting note, 2s, 3s, and 4s, thumbs, 2s and 3s. Last note, coming back, 2s and 3s, thumbs, 2s, 3s, and 4s, and we're done. Now to do 2 octaves, we're going to take this principle and we're just going to extend it. So this time, thumbs are going to line up on C, F, and C. And once again, in between those sort of keystone fingerings, we're either going to use these or these. So going from the beginning, we'll do it the same exact way we did one octave. 2s, 3s, and 4s, getting us to the thumbs, 2s and 3s. Now here I'm going to use thumbs again. Next is 2s, 3s, and 4s, thumbs, 2s and 3s, and the last note. And then I'm going to follow all of that back. 2s and 3s, thumbs, 2s, 3s, and 4s, thumbs, 2s and 3s, thumbs, 2s, 3s, and 4s, and the last note. And that's how you play F major scale hands together. If any part of the video went too fast, go back, pause it in different parts. Notice how the hands work together where both hands are using the same fingers at the same time, and you'll have F major scale down hands together in no time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.